It's coming. Yeah, I can see your screen.
So 597 trades total. I will hide this guy.
Mhm. Close this and make hide here.
So this one 597 trades.
Mm-hmm.
And if you look at zeros here in the reward, which I did it purposefully because there is no trade. So I will just filter
Mm.
this.
You have to break. Yeah, you have
Yeah,
to do the. Yeah.
yeah. If I just unfilter, right there also. So these zeros are
Mm-hmm.
those trades which are not taken.
Yeah.
So if I count it, it is 325. So 325 out of 597.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. 597. So around 54% is avoided.
Mm.
And
Mm.
56% has been traded.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that okay, sir? Like,
Yeah. 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 That is one of the best. Yeah.
yeah,
Absolutely best.
okay.
The only thing is that you need to be consistent in identifying what to which one to avoid. Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
And also what I observed is first initially for a couple of days I was using pivot lines also, then 200-day moving average, then everything. Then
Mm.
I filtered out. For me, perfectly working is yearly, quarterly, monthly support lines,
Mm-hmm.
resistance lines.
Mm.
And if the market is going sideways,
Mm.
then I'm relying on the pivot lines for, you know, for exiting or entering a trade, whether it is a
Mm.
trade or no trade. So such things. So my most of my trades, entry, yeah, or exit, is totally purely based on my yearly, quarterly, and monthly resistance lines.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Very good. Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're doing the Sriya's way. She prefers the quarterly, but you're doing it the same
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
Mm.
Sometimes monthly resistance lines also there. It was
Mm.
working very good.
Mm-hmm.
But yes, but quarterly resistance lines are magic, sir.
Yeah, isn't it?
You see something and yeah,
Mm.
it is doing good. Great job.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
But as you said, I have drawn quarterly resistance line for the last 6 years,
Mm-hmm.
resistance line for the last 3 years, yearly full time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Mm.
yes.
Absolutely. So generally speaking, we say if the strategy is working for 60%,
Hmm.
and then you apply your own understanding of this everything what we said, handful of rules.
Mm-hmm.
One of them is quarterly support, one of them yearly, monthly support resistance,
Mm-hmm.
and then we have a rule of four. All those things, if you can combine those and
Mm-hmm.
then do and then filter out, then
Mm-hmm.
immediately that 60% success will go to 70%. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
immediately. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just looking at those trades which are traded and
Mm-hmm.
which are like a loss.
Mm-hmm.
Normally losses are under my, is that
Under what?
less than zero. So
Mm,
out of, so these
sorry,
are,
repeat.
so I'm just checking the stop losses.
Mm-hmm.
So 64 trades
Mm-hmm.
out of 64 trades.
Mm-hmm.
How do I manipulate?
Select all.
64 trades. 64 trades out of out of 272.
Hmm.
64 trades out of 272.
Hmm.
So 23% were stop loss and about 74% is profit.
Wow, wow. That's brilliant, yeah.
Yeah.
The top class, exceptional.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Good job, very good job. The most important thing is knowing when not to trade, yeah.
Yeah, correct.
That is the most important thing.
Just looking at some of the pairs are like either upside always or downside, like GBP AUD. There
Mm-hmm.
were very good number of trades and good amount of profit.
Mm-mm-mm. Yeah,
AUD,
GBP.
AUD, USD and all, it was hitting stop losses. Though I avoided a lot of trades. So out
Mm,
of this 1 year, sir, trades from
mm,
January 2026 till date.
mm.
So this is the sum is 229,645.
Wow, that's very good. So from initial 100,000, yeah.
Yes.
So 1 year it has more than doubled, yeah.
Yeah. But I don't know. Like it is just I mean
No,
if
that is the belief you need to do, yeah.
yeah,
That
yeah. Yeah.
you cannot say I don't know. If you don't know,
No.
then the rest of the
Yes.
life will be you don't know, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You're right. You're right.
First thing you need to do is the belief.
Yeah.
Believe in the system. Believe in yourself.
Hmm.
Believe in what
Yeah.
how you have how you have gone
Yeah.
through the entire process, yeah.
Yes, sir.
That is number one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very good, exceptional, fantastic.
Yes, sir.
70, you said 74, is it? Or 76?
74 is profit, 23.5 is loss, like approximately 24 is loss.
So 76 is profit, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's exceptional. Brilliant, absolutely.
Yeah.
Top class. And this is 1 year for all the instruments, yeah?
Yes. From this year only, like I would say 6 months, roughly. I took trades up to June mid.
It's only 6 months, is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Or not even 1 year?
No, no.
Oh,
Because
wow.
I was doing 1 year, I took
Mm.
that histogram, everything, but
Mm-hmm.
it was like I thought we will do it for this year, see how
Mm-hmm.
the profits, because a lot of trade opportunities in
Mm.
when I was collecting the data for histogram, trend detector, I was getting
Mm.
a lot of data. As you said,
Mm.
you collect 100
Mm.
entries for this now. So
Mm.
I did that way. Then I filtered out so many.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now you are feeling confident that you can
Yes, yes,
repeat what you have done, the selection process.
yes, yes. I can do.
Mm-hmm. You have put the exit only on the trades which you have taken, yeah.
Uh, yes, the exit column will be blank
Mm.
if I didn't took a trade. So it will be zero in the reward column, I think.
Mm.
In the exit section,
Mm.
I will enter the number only if I have traded. It can be profit, it can be stop loss hit, whatever
Mm.
the exit
Mm.
number.
Mm.
If you see this 16015, that is the stop loss number. But if I took a profit, it will be either QRS, MRS, or
Mm.
pivot line, or 200 moving average, something. 200
Mm.
moving average was very less
Mm.
because it was way away from my trades. But
Mm.
that's how it is like. See, sir, pivot
Mm.
S2 plus 20. And some of the sideways market, I used to take 1:1 without
Mm.
waiting. If there is support or resistance line way away from my, exit point, so
Mm.
way away, then I
Mm.
will take trade 1:1 because we
Yeah.
never know when it bounces back from what levels.
Mm. Yeah.
At least I will book 1,000 profit. So
Yeah.
something
Yeah.
like that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, very good. And what is the maximum profit you have booked?
Okay. Is it based on percentage or?
Yeah, obviously percentage.
10.38, 4.69. Should
Mm.
I will unfilter.
Mhm.
GBP Euro USD,
Yeah.
GBP
Yeah.
USD JPY.
Mhm.
So if you see the
Yeah.
trades,
Mhm.
so one is 10,384. I don't know how big it is because I waited for the long quarterly.
QRS, yeah.
Yeah, but if I was a very conservative trader, I will wait for $1,000 profit, exit a bit,
Hmm.
and hold on for the remaining 50%, 30%, which I can
Hmm.
do. But we never
Hmm.
know, right? In reality, I just saw
Hmm.
QRS, it is going and hitting that. So
Hmm.
I waited for that. Because the position sizing is big, I could make
Hmm.
this big profit, I think. See if this 1.92
Mhm.
and stop distance is 52. So the
Mm.
multiplication of returns is
Yeah.
huge.
Yeah. 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 The skill here is to wait till QRS. Yeah.
Yeah, correct. I,
Mm, that
I, I
is.
don't have to exit once I reach 1:1 reward risk.
Mm-hmm.
Should I wait or should I exit at 1:1?
No. 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 You must wait.
Okay. Here,
You
if you
must.
see 200 is the stop distance,
Mm-hmm.
even then it given humongous profit. So GBP UD was fabulous.
Mm-hmm.
Every trade was an success. Most of the trades.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And Euro USD was okay. But
Mm.
yeah, except for two pairs, I think AUD USD and all. So remaining all trades were, anything making a directional uh, trade. So that was
Mm.
good.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably. Yeah. Probably. I would request you to speak on this on our master class so that other also can have the belief, not
Yeah.
only belief but also the expertise on how you actually did it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So on 2nd of October,
Mm-hmm.
so sorry, 2nd of August,
Okay.
which is Sunday,
Uh-huh.
3 p.m. I will talk for the first 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll request you to talk for 15 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. So you get prepared for the in the next 14 days,
Yeah.
and then you can hide the cumulative column because you are not using AC. You can hide the AC.
Yes. Yeah. Cumulative column.
Mhm,
Okay.
yes. And then you need to tell the students then how you have achieved what you have achieved. That means how you have avoided
Trades.
how you have avoided the wrong trades.
Trades. Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, because what not to do, as we always say, what not to do is most important. Yeah.
Yeah. Because everything starts from your day one class or a couple of
Mm.
beginning class,
Mm-hmm.
support resistance lines.
Mm-hmm.
And,
Mm-hmm.
what is the importance? You might see all sellers out, all buyers in, but
Mm-hmm.
the entry candle may not be that kind of candle, but previous
Mm-hmm.
candle used to be like all sellers out, all buyers in or something,
Mm-hmm.
which is a common sense. Some are like making double bottom or double top. You don't enter the trade in the other direction. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it was mostly like till now, whatever I learned, I have used most of the
Mm-hmm.
things except the market news, which I didn't look at, but everything just traded as it is. Yeah.
Can you show me your highest ones? 10.38. Yeah, show me that trade and hide the right hand side and show me how. In the,
GBPAD 26th of
yeah,
Jan.
hide the right hand side.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. This is 26th Jan.
Mm-hmm. You have taken a
This is
hook
29th
entry. Yeah.
Jan. And yeah, 26th Jan.
Entry is what is the close price?
Okay.
197.
Close price is 19780.
Go to the Excel. Let me see. 19780.
This one.
That's correct. And stop loss. Higher high 19802.
Yeah, 19832. So because 30 pips.
Show me the stop.
So 19832.
No, no. Go to that bar and go to the yeah.
Yeah.
So that high is what?
That
That
high
high
is 19796.
nine, and then go to the previous. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
19802.
So plus
Plus
30.
30.
So the
Plus
one
30 is
nine.
19832. Somewhere here.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I will just draw
Mm.
the
Yeah, put an arrow.
99832. Oh,
Just draw any line and then do 3 2. You
yeah,
can do that. Yeah,
done.
3 2.
Uh,
Mm.
done. So look at it. To
Uh,
enter somewhere over here, you can exit here,
mm-hmm.
but I exited here, somewhere like that. You know,
Yeah. So why didn't you exit there?
okay, let me check why. Okay, 19832. Okay, exit is QRS. Where did I exit? 19240. Yeah, yeah, because it was making lower lows and
Yeah,
lower highs,
yeah.
and I could have exited here because I got another trade here as
Mm.
well. Like I will show
Mm.
you
Mm-hmm.
GBP on. You see 30th Jan.
Yeah.
So 4 days later, you got
Mm-hmm.
another. So which is another indication. 30th Jan, 30th Jan. This one again, a long. Sorry, what we say. This one is hook, right?
Yeah. Hook shot.
Yeah. So which is just here because it is making lower low, lower highs.
Mm.
I
And
thought
show me where did you put, what is the high there?
here the high
Yeah.
is 19718.
And the previous high?
Okay, this is. I took this one because it was very low. As you said,
Ah,
20 pips. If it's
ah,
just 20 pips, then I should go
yeah.
for the US.
Very good. That is all I wanted to check. Yeah.
Yeah, I took
Mm.
like 19766. Let me check if I am
Mm.
not wrong. Oh, I think I took the just the previous one.
19727.
Yeah,
So 19757.
where is that? 30th Jan.
Yeah, go to the black. Yeah, stay there.
19727.
Plus 3057. And now go to the next black big one.
Yeah.
After two candles. No, no, no. After no, right hand side. Right. Yeah, 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 yeah. Stay there. 7 7. You got stopped out or not?
No, no. I'm still 30 pips away, right?
Okay.
From
So
from here, if you calculate, uh, it is 57, isn't it? 19.
yeah. So you got stopped out.
Okay, let me check. Okay, I think I should see what is wrong.
Mm.
But, this one, yeah, I should have, because in the mid of the assignment, you said
Mm-hmm.
that the stop loss should be way away.
Mm-hmm.
Look at stop distance also. It is 99 pips.
58 57. Yeah, 99. 1950. 196 58 and 197 57 is 99.
Okay, yeah, this is wrong trade. I need to fix
or
this.
or go to the previous candle, as you said. Go to the previous previous, because it is very close. Go to the entry bar high. Yeah,
Yeah,
entry bar high is what?
Entry bar high is 9718.
18, and then previous one 27. So the difference between these two high is only 9 pips. Yeah.
9 pips. Yeah.
So in that case, you can go to the previous one. Go to the previous one
Yeah.
and stay. This is 66 plus 30. So your stop loss should be, go and
96.
revise that to 197.97.
Yeah.
Yeah, put that in Excel, 197.97, and write it down. 190, 197,
Mm.
and write it down
Mm.
on the on the stop distance. Yeah, go to the stop distance and right click and make comment. Right click and add comment, new comment. Yeah.
Mhm.
Stop was placed uh, two bars, two higher high. Yeah, two higher high, not the immediate higher high, but two higher high. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. Yeah. So this is important.
Yeah.
There is no harm in increasing the stop loss, because if you see 9 pips from high to high is dangerous.
Yes.
9 pips from high to high can be dangerous, isn't it?
Mhm. Mhm.
So that is why I wanted to check some of the entries, so that you learn. Yeah.
And of course, yeah. Even this one, I
Mm.
could have exited at QRS if you are
Mm.
telling me. But
That
26.
you have to write something.
26.
You said that it is lower high, lower low, which is good.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. But
Not
still,
only lower high, lower low, but also you need to remember that we always say in a
mm,
downtrend the troughs are meant to be broken.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
our troughs are meant to be broken.
Mm. Yeah.
So that is why, that is the main reason that we took that trade.
Yeah.
And also the two green candles did not close above the high of the black candle.
Yes.
That means it is a falling two method, if you remember.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Falling. You said fall. Rising three. Falling.
Rising 3, falling 3.
Yeah.
We can also have rising 4, falling 4,
Yep.
or rising 2, falling 4, falling 2.
Yeah. It looks like that, sir.
Yeah,
See.
that's a falling. Yeah, that's a falling 2 method. Yeah.
Correct.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
So that you should write it down somewhere.
Mm.
And that why you did not get out there in the exit. In the exit, right click. Yeah, in the 540. No, no, no. Go to 540
Yeah.
and add the comment.
So it was the greens are two green candles did not
No,
break.
no, no. You don't have to write history. You just write two rise falling two method. Falling two method. Because now you are going to the professional, slowly to the professional levels. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you should understand. Falling two method means what is that? You need to understand that. Yeah.
Mm. Yes, sir.
Mhm. Now show me another one. For
Mm.
example, let's go to 4.69, 495. Show me 495.
Which one is that, sir?
Row number
467.
4, row number 495.
Okay, got it. 495. GBPAD 24th April.
Mhm.
And it is okay. Daily. Yeah, this one, sir.
Show me, tell me what have you done? Huh?
So
Why? Okay, okay. Tell me what is the trade?
it is because of the trend detector, I believe.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And why I entered is because it did not break the previous swing high. Okay.
Hmm.
And it was like trying to bounce back.
Hmm.
Uh, and I made an entry after the close of this candle.
Mhm.
And because it is making, there was a correction, and then it is trying to, come down again from the previous levels.
Yeah, impulsive corrective. Yeah,
Yeah.
after the end of the year.
Yeah. 1 sec, sir. I am entering this. Okay. So yes, sir. That is why I entered, because I felt like there is a reward to risk,
Hmm.
because my reward will be this level MRS,
Hmm.
and risk is because it is going downward. Because if you see, this is the risk, like the previous
Hmm.
higher high, and it is slightly, it is like 1:1 trade is possible for me,
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
I'm seeing like, okay, MRS is
Hmm.
here, MRS plus 10 pips is my target, and
Hmm.
assuming if my exit is this, the almost like 1 is to sorry 0.65 is to 1 roughly.
Hmm.
So I
Hmm.
took the trade, and as it was doing and giving multiple trade opportunities in unidirection way,
Hmm.
so I took that on that basis.
Hmm. 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 Yeah.
So again,
Trade entry is correct. Yeah.
stop loss was somewhere above
Hmm.
this
Hmm.
32.
Hmm.
So we had a good, we had to hold it for a couple of days, so
Yeah.
it went on till this point.
So where was the stop loss? Where was the entry point? Show me. 189.30 is the entry. Yeah.
Yeah, and
So go there. Go there. Show me 189.
189.30.
Go to that bar.
24th April, yes. And stop loss was,
No, no, no. First go to that bar.
yeah.
Stay there.
Mm,
Mm, so
close.
189.30. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. And then high is 189.31.
yeah,
189.31.
31. Yeah,
And your previous high. Yeah.
previous high is
189.
89.49.
So your stop loss should be 189.80. Correct.
If it is 50, 30, 80. So 189.79 roughly.
79. Go to the Excel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct. Absolutely correct.
So because of the small stop loss,
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
mean stop distance is 49, we got this position size.
Do you understand meaning of 2.04?
It is a mini, sorry, 2.04 is the standard lot. Two lots, 04 means mini, mini 4 lots.
2.04 means two standard lots
Yes,
and 4 micro. That means $20.40 per point.
yes.
So if price is going in your favor 1 pip, you are
$2.
getting $20.40.
$20.40.
Yeah, that
Okay.
is what I asked you.
No, I knew only the standard, mini, and micro lots.
That is what I asked you. I knew that you didn't know.
Yes. Yeah.
So
So one pip movement in standard is $10,
correct,
and one pip movement in mini is $1,
correct.
and
So
one micro is cents, right? One
correct, correct.
10 cents or 1 cent, sir? Micro
Uh,
is 1 cent.
Micro is 10 cents.
10 cents. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Yes. And
So
the,
2.04 means, tell me.
yeah, it is like $20.40.
Correct.
Yeah.
So you need to be mentally prepared
Mm-hmm.
that you are taking a trade of $20. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, immediately if it moves the five pips against you,
Mm-hmm.
it will show you $100 loss.
Yes, yes. Big loss.
So
Yeah.
$100 is not big.
I mean, the movement of
Yeah.
no numbers like
Yeah.
100, 200, it will be
Yeah.
so fast.
Uh,
Will
uh, so it can affect psychologically.
it will affect psychologically, and we feel like if you are trading with someone else's funds,
Yeah.
or
Unless and
even.
until you prepare yourself mentally,
Mhm.
this 2.04, you should be telling yourself, okay, I'm taking $20 per point. Yeah.
Yes, yes, correct.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir. I
All
will
right.
show you the exit also. Just I want to see where I did mistake or right. 18,700 I exited. So somewhere 10 pips away from.
Yeah.
So the horizontal line is 8690. So 10 pips above. Somewhere
Hmm.
around 18,700 I So the trade is correct.
Mm.
18700.
Yeah. So what you need to do is
Mhm.
you need to select sample. Don't do all of them. Select samples,
Mhm.
and if you have done any mistake, correct it. Or if you want to take any other
Mhm.
like stop loss on second higher high or like that,
Mhm.
or this fellow, like, why you have not closed the trade on that, if you want to ask yourself,
Mhm.
you need to do it on a separate comment. Yeah.
Yeah, correct, sir. Definitely.
Mm-hmm.
See, because I can filter many, or
Mm-hmm.
sometimes the trade what I took,
Mm-hmm.
maybe questioning myself now, like, oh,
Yeah.
the trade, why I exited bit late, what made.
Yeah, so it is always good to do once and then revisit again.
Yeah.
And then I'll talk to you in your next class with the revisited one. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
All right. Take care. Bye for now.
Sir, bye.